Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can uncap, how you can fix FPS stuck at 60 on Marvel Rivals. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, in game, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings, go to display, and then here, make sure this option is not selected, or if you want to, you can limit FPS. It can help you with stuttering and freezing, but you just need to match your monitor once. So if your monitor holds 144, you can go with the 144. If your monitor holds with 240, you can go with 240 and apply the changes here and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, what you need to do here next is to simply go to display settings, then scroll down a bit until you see advanced display, and then select your right display and look what values here and select highest. And then what you need to do next is to right click on your desktop, show more options, go to NVIDIA control panel. We need to wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. It should be working. And then go to screen resolution here. First, and make sure refresh rate is also select highest on your monitor here. You can select your monitors here. Then go to manage 3D settings. Then you need to scroll down until you see it's a bit laggy here, as always. You need to look for preferred refresh rate and then select here highest available here. And then also don't forget to turn off VSync, right? And then apply the changes and your FPS should be normal. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.